Ambulation assistance and fall prevention. Helping clients move safely and confidently is one of the most vital responsibilities of a home health aide, HHA. Whether walking with assistance or independently, ambulation improves a client's circulation, digestion, mental well-being, and independence. However, falls remain a major safety concern in home care. This lesson will teach you how to assist with ambulation using proper support techniques, recognize fall risks, and implement preventative strategies, all while promoting dignity and confidence in every step. Understanding ambulation. What is ambulation? Ambulation simply means helping a client walk safely from one place to another, whether with or without assistive devices. Benefits of ambulation: improves circulation and respiratory health, prevents muscle weakness and joint stiffness, reduces constipation and risk of pressure injuries, enhances emotional and mental well-being. Preparing for safe ambulation. Pre-ambulation checklist. Check the care plan to confirm the level of assistance required. Communicate clearly with the client before moving. Ensure the client is wearing non-skid footwear. Make sure any assistive devices, cane, walker, are within reach and in good condition. Verify that environmental hazards, loose rugs, cords, clutter, are removed. Confirm the client is not dizzy, drowsy, or in pain before standing. Assisting with ambulation. General guidelines. Stand on the client's weaker side, slightly behind. If using a gait belt, hold it securely at the back or side. Encourage the client to take slow, steady steps. Never rush or pull the client. Be alert for signs of fatigue, dizziness, or imbalance. Helping a client use. A cane, held on the stronger side. The cane and the weaker leg move together, followed by the stronger leg. A walker. Instruct the client to move the walker a short distance ahead, then step forward with the weaker leg first, followed by the stronger leg. Common fall hazards in the home. Environmental hazards: loose rugs or mats, wet floors, dim lighting, unstable furniture, cluttered walkways. Personal risk factors: muscle weakness or joint stiffness, medications causing drowsiness or dizziness, poor vision, unfitted footwear, cognitive impairment, e.g., dementia. Fall prevention strategies. Home modifications. Use grab bars in bathrooms. Install night lights. Keep floors dry and clutter-free. Arrange furniture to allow wide pathways. Ensure assistive devices are properly adjusted. Client-specific interventions. Encourage daily mobility to build strength. Monitor for medication side effects. Ensure hydration and nutrition to prevent weakness. Report any changes in balance or coordination to the nurse. What to do if a fall occurs. Do: stay calm. Check for injuries before moving the client. Call for emergency help or the supervising nurse if needed. Comfort and reassure the client. Do not attempt to lift the client alone. Move them without assessing for pain, fractures, or consciousness. Blame the client or make them feel embarrassed. Document the fall in accordance with agency policy and include time and place of fall, description of incident, client's condition, actions taken. Reporting and documentation. Always report and document any difficulties during ambulation: dizziness, weakness, or refusal to walk, new use of furniture for support, observed hazards in the home, signs of bruising, limping, or altered gait. Accurate documentation ensures client safety and allows for adjustments to the care plan. This lesson focused on safe ambulation support that promotes mobility and confidence. Ambulation is about encouraging independence and ensuring safety. Proper support helps reduce fall risks and improve mobility. HHAs play a vital role in a client's quality of life. Every step guided with care builds confidence and security. With each step, HHAs help clients stay active, safe, and independent.